Oh, you can play that online too. It's like Counter-Strike.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Ano yung PS?
Okay.
PlayStation?
I still have to learn
Ano ba yung
something.
kanino?
Yan ang mga libangan niya, Tay.
I choose.
Eh,
Oh,
kasi
ano?
mga bata, hindi na nakakausap pag nasa bahay walang pasok. Puro
Puro ganyan na lang. Yung phone,
Nintendo.
yung Nintendo. Yeah.
She's a girl one.
Ako, bili ako ng bala. Sabi ko, lalaro.
May nagjojowa na nga, eh, nagaan na, huwag mo sabihin, ano yan, hindi nila alam yung mga ginagawa nila. Eh, ate kasi, maano talaga, iba talaga puso din natin. Yes, nagagalit siya ng
Okay.
nasalita ng mga kasama.
You're gonna transform and do the ultimate.
Hindi pa niya nare-reach yung ano. Dapat iisip. Sabi ko, mabila naman bonus.
Oo. Babayaran. Talaga wala pa naman siya. Kasi nga, hindi naman si ate talaga humihingi sa kanya na ano. Basta ang
Kami,
Hi.
sa trabaho kasi ganyan, part ng nurse ko, ganyan. Pero pag may kakilala kaming friend, ano, nag-work pa rin tayo. Diba? Di, kaya mo yan. Marami kasi dito cases yung friend.
I'm so... Tatakot ako.
yeah.
Yo, stand here. Stand and wait. Stand and wait. Are you scared, Brandon? No, you're not scared. You can swim, right?
Yeah, but I'm still afraid.
Look at the duck. She can't do anything.
No! No! The duck! Where's the duck?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Other side!
Where did the duck go? Where did the duck go? Where did he go?
Oh my god! She was so tired.
Is he dead?
Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so scary.
I am afraid, but it's only because I found it.
You found it? He's there. Oh, maybe he's fishing. Brianna, that's a Peace Bridge. See? Video.
Hey, can we get to
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
At Bridge with AC Recipe. And dahon sa bihon. Collaboration.
Baliktad, bihon sa dahon.
to get a scooter?
Bihon sa dahon.
Tapos yung pinakaroon ng timus ng bumili.
Sa amin, ay nasa...
Hello. Hello, ducks.
Yeah, let them pass. Nangahabol yan na.
Ayun mo, nag-giveaway na sila. Ang galing oh.
Hindi, babayaan mo sila.
Nagbabaw oh. Kapunista. Oy, totoo yung sa Japan, yung deer. Ganun talaga sila.
Taga-Japan sila.
May pangil yung mga yan na eh.
Para din itik sa atin. Oo.
Oh my.
Ah, pula. May mga pangil yan.
Kung saan pumunta doon sa sunod na rin.
Mm.
Parang
Stay away. Stay away.
correct.
May dumaan lang na isa niya sa mga tambay.
Let's go.
Stay away. Stay away.
Na
I don't want to use this umbrella.
Stop recording.
Tita AC, right in your back daw. You hold Tito's hand. Hold Tito's hand.
Oh, slowly. Bigat pa sa'yo.
Alright, Tita AC's hand. Tita AC's back.
Don't push me in the water. Please, don't go in the water.
No.
Just sit.
Just sit. Just sit. Just sit. Just sit.
Kinabahan ako.
No.
Dalawa kami.
No, baby.
No, it's too low.
Nagsaswimming
It's dangerous. It's
Here.
dangerous.
You want to touch the water? Oh, he's looking. Yeah.
Here, Henry, go.
Look at this.
Water. Bird flu.
Look.
Don't touch.
There's a picture. I'm gonna be throwing rocks too. I'm gonna go throw rocks. Look, I found two.
Excited talaga kami. Nakakainis ka, Jenna.
But let's see how far we can throw it. How far you could throw. Okay, my turn. My turn. Hey, my turn. Hey, my turn, Vienna, my turn to do it. Don't hit the duck.
Don't hit the duck. Don't hit the duck.
Don't hit the duck.
You will go to jail if you hit the duck. Stop throwing. You might hit the duck, guys.
Bakit ginawa yung mata ko?
Oh, look, a feather. Feather. Picture. Oh. Power bear. Piku. Hey yo.
Hey, yo.
Oh. Nishi.
Nishi.
Lay down. Just lay down. There, run. Where's Pizza AC?
On the bridge.
Okay. Huh? What's happening? Is this a drill? Somebody help!
What you need is this, diba you're just, how you're the flowers and then the snake is in the front of you.
Because I don't.
Because you don't notice it. Because you're just... Welcome to Canada. So guys, andito nga yung aking tita sa Calgary. First time yung makarating dito sa Devonian Garden. Say hi naman, tita. So ano masasabi mo dito?
Hello, hi. It's so beautiful place.
Wow. So how would you like the weather naman, tita?
It's okay.
It's okay. English yun. So yan guys, ang ganda no? Ang ganda namin. Hindi yung place, ang ganda namin. So eto guys, papakita namin. O yan. Nakita nyo, green na green. Wow. Yan. Kasi si tita gusto niya iuwi ang mga punong yan doon sa kanila. Right. Diba? Oo, dahan-dahan. May hagdan. So yan, tita, pipicturean kita dyan.
Dito.
Yan, yan,
sa
yan.
sa
Yan, yun yung mga ano. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda ng
Ganda
view.
naman.
Guys, artista to, oh. Tingin naman po kayo dito, ma'am.
artista. Nakatalik ko. Yan, ano kami
Ayan,
yan.
no. Yan, ang ganda. Tita, dun. Yan, sige lang, lakad ka lang. Ako yung follower mo. Ituro-turo mo kung ano yung magaganda dyan.
Oh, yan, oh.
May koi fish pa. Koi fish pa yan. Daddy, ay, ano yun? Crocodile?
Crocodile na.
Totoo yan.
Hindi. Kunyari, tayo mag-alit.
Yan, uupo daw siya ng ganyan.
Ay,
Oh.
kamo ng kadate.
Ano yung nantay mo, tita?
Ang kadate ko, hindi pa nadating. Late.
Nainantay namin yung kadate ni tita. Dumating ba?
Hindi pa nadating yung aking apam dito. Oh.
Yung apam mo?
No.
Buti na lang guys, maganda yung weather. Praise God. Kasi na-enjoy namin yung paggala. Kaya, yun guys, please like and subscribe na. Sa AZ Recipe and dahon. Saan yan?
Ano?
Dahon sa bihon?
Bihon sa dahon.
Bihon sa dahon. Yun. Bye guys. See you on our
Hindi tunay yun.
Parang hindi dito. Hindi dito. Tita, ano masasabi mo? Nice?
Ha?
Maganda?
Oo, maganda.
Ganda. Ito parang nasa Pilipinas dito. oh. Saging! Pero bulok na to. Ito ang fresh, oh. Fresh na fresh.
Pagita, oh.
Saan pagkita yan, tita? Tita, dito ka. Dito ka. Yan no, Canada. So, ayan no, ayan yung malaking flag ng Canada dito sa Devonian Garden. Masaya ba?
Calgary.
So, tita, ano ka na dito, magstay ka na sa Canada?
Naka-stay naman na, hindi lang sa Calgary.
Easy recipe. Ma boy,
Inala siguro si Bo.
ginala.
Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa taas eh. Tapos na? Umalis na tayo? Ha?
Zero gravity. We're going up. Zero gravity. We're going up, not down. Are we going down?
Ganun din eh. Baka.
Yeah.
Hendrik. Si Hendrik yun.
Picture tayo dito. Ayun.
Always here. What's your questions about AI?
Hey, what's your question?
Are you dumb?
That's rude. Use a different word.
Yeah, I am trying to think.
They're gonna remember the words that you're using.
I don't know.
Aware.
Indestructible.
This. D-I-S.
D-I-S.
Oh. D-E-S, yes.
D-E-S.
Yeah.
I.
T.
T.
R.
R.
U.
U.
C.
N. Indestructible.
T-I-B-L-E.
T-I-L. B-L-E. There.
Question mark.
This. Fight